Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make free PayPal money from one app in 2022. This is a free method and available worldwide. A perfect side income to people who are working at home. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to not miss any important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The name of the website we'll be discussing today and where you can earn money is OfferVault. Let me begin by demonstrating the website's payment rate. As you can see, several offers will pay you in various amounts. Some of them may even be willing to pay up to $700 for your service. I'll make it so easy for you that you'll be able to make your first 100 in less than 5 clicks. When we visit the OfferVault website's homepage today, the first thing we do is click the gift card, which will reveal all of the offer-related gift cards. So if you scroll down, you'll see the name of the deal and the amount of the rate offer. It's easy to see that there are 65 of them, then 20, and so on. There are hundreds of offers on OfferVault that you can use to make money online. And I'll save you time by only showing you the best, including the one I'm using right now to make a lot of money. Let's take a look at this particular offer, which is a contest for a $500 Amazon gift card. To get to this website, all you have to do now is click this link. As you can see, you'll be paid $20 for each lead, and you'll be directed to the official website for this offer, which you can simply click on. On its official website, you may find hundreds of various offerings, and you don't even need to create any web pages because everything is pre-made and done for you. If someone clicks on your link, they will be taken to the deal's official website. One lead is created when they fill out the form with more information, such as their name, address, and phone number, and then click the next button. You can now get your $20 straight now with only one click. The amazing thing with OfferVault and CPA marketing is that you don't have to do any hard selling. All you have to do is take one single link and get people to click on it. And you'll be paid $20 for each click. Let me now show you how to get a large number of free clicks from any place on the earth. Is it something you're looking forward to? Let's move on to our second website, where you can get a lot of free traffic and get a lot of people to click on your link now that you've heard from me. When you look for Amazon gift cards, you'll see that there are a lot of people who are willing to share their photos for free. You'll be led to a page with a link if you click on the image. Therefore, if I click on the link here, the person who submitted it will profit. This is Pinterest. I'll show you how to sign up in a minute, but for now, enjoy these screenshots from the Pinterest homepage. Many people have used this strategy and it has resulted in a large number of people clicking on their Pinterest link. They simply publish a picture of an image, such as an Amazon gift card, along with a title, description, and of course, their link, which may be an OfferVault link. The person who posted the link will earn money if someone clicks the link and is taken to the page where they must fill out some information before clicking the next button. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Let's get started on creating a Pinterest account for free. To begin, search for Pinterest on Google. Then click on the first link that appears to take you to Pinterest's homepage. People upload their images to this website and can share them with everyone. So sign up using your email address, create a password, enter your age, and then continue signing up. This is a completely free service that may be accessed from anywhere in the globe. Once you've entered into your Pinterest account, your dashboard will display a range of photo and image recommendations. To add a photo, go to Create a New Pin and drag or upload your image. After your image has been properly uploaded, you can now add a title to it. If you have a $500 Amazon gift card, for example, the most important aspect is to include your link in the destination URL so that people will notice it and click it in a couple of seconds. I'll show you how to use Pinterest to create a new image by uploading a photo and adding information to it. Did you know that hundreds of people use Pinterest each month to hunt for an Amazon gift card? Which means your photographs will eventually be seen by them. Keep in mind that the more photos and pins you create, the more people will see your link and click on it. Every day, dozens of people will see your image and click on your link. Yes, some of them may complete out the form and some may not. But it's a great method to get money because they don't have to sell anything or purchase anything. Simply fill out the form on the redirected page of the connected website. After that, we'll look at how to get free Google Photographs. Go to google.com and click on Pictures. Then type in free Amazon gift card in the search box and push enter. You'll be shown a variety of photographs that you can save to your laptop or smartphone. You can re-upload the image you downloaded to your Pinterest account, but you can't take it from other people because it's copyrighted, which is illegal. That's why I'm here to help you by showing you an additional step that's really important. So don't skip it or you'll lose money. I'd like you to go to Settings, then Advanced Search, which will take you to a page. Look for a change in usage rights from all of the Creative Commons licenses at the bottom of that page. This means you can share, reuse, and download the photos without restriction. You'll now see all of the photos that you can download, share, and reuse. Simply pick an image that appears to be licensable and download it right now to your smartphone or computer. You can upload the image to your Pinterest account now that you have it. Remember to include your title and description, as well as the image you uploaded and, of course, the link in your description. You can now get paid $20 every time someone clicks on your link. This method can be repeated with various pictures that you can find and download for free on Google. Don't worry if people don't notice your link because hundreds of thousands of people visit Pinterest every day to hunt for something and will almost definitely come across one of your photos. So just keep distributing images. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.